So, here she is. It's a wee Fiat. It's a wee sort of multi-purpose van type thing. Like a van with windows and seats in it. And we'll start with kind of normal stuff, mould and crap on the outside. The paint is really dull. Really dull. The wheels don't look like they've been cleaned for a while, but nothing too alarming there. Then we start to get to areas like this, and you can tell this car's been sitting for a long time. Oh, look at him, I think they might have upset him. Mould, disgusting dirt, grease, cigarette ash. Now this is the door pocket. They've been using that as an ashtray. Absolutely disgusting humans. The seats, although you can't really, I'm trying to get a better picture. Look at that one, that's a better picture. They're filthy. Look at this in here, just, I don't know what they've been using it for. That's dog hair and yuck. We've got, it's just grotty. Look down here. Check out in the door, the runners. Seat runners, that's just, it's just disgusting. That's in the glove box area. What's it like in the glove box? More junk. Light bulbs. And a wee bit of mould in there just for good measure. A random bit of wood in the back for whatever reason. And a door. And the reason there's a door in the back is because of this. Now obviously the guy didn't stay in the best areas because somebody's tried to break into the car. But it's quite ingenious actually. What they've done is they've went for the medieval approach where you basically just put a hook or something onto the top of the door, attach it to something else and drive away and try and rip the door open. Now unfortunately for the owner, it didn't actually rip the door open, it literally just bent the door back. So we'll need to put the other door on. But aye, what a way to do it. If you've got to break into a car, try and get it right, guys. There we go, we've got these sort of marks on the side. This is what happens when you get sun cream on your hands and you touch the paintwork. It actually burns into the paint and leaves these marks. Sun cream burns. So that's my project for the next day or two. Keep watching if you want to know how we got on with it. Thanks anyway for watching. we go, another one done. Looking absolutely great, if I don't say so myself. You would never have known the condition that car was in just a couple of days ago. Insides came up beautiful. So it has. It's like a new car. Somebody's coming to fix those cigarette burns in the seats tomorrow to fill them in so that you won't see them. Seats have cleaned up really nice as well as the carpets. You'd never know the condition that was in. Door. Nice and straight. And the back, nice and clean. The man that's fixing the cigarette burns is also going to take a look at these zips. He's putting a new zip on, so it's another thing to tick off the list. For some reason that door looks a shade out, but in other lights it looks spot on. I don't know why that is. Looks gleaming though. Just those couple of wee jobs, cigarette burn and those zips. And it'll be all ready for sale. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.